video already, meaning tapos mo na ang mga naunang videos about sa properties of real numbers. So you're done with the closure properties, then you have the commutative properties, associative properties, identity properties, then you have the inverse properties. Okay? So nasundan mo yung discussion natin about naman. So hindi na natin papatagalin pa. Let's discuss the last two. Okay? Last two na properties natin sa real numbers. Okay? So with that being said, what are you waiting for? Buckle up because you're in for another fun math run. Okay, so let's talk about distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay? So you have if x, y, and z are real numbers, then x times the quantity y plus z is equal to xy plus xz. So paano nangyari yun? Dito pala sa pangalan ng property na to, distributive property, okay? Ibig sabihin, we are going to distribute the real number na nandito sa labas ng parenthesis doon sa loob na sa mga numbers na nasa loob ng parenthesis. And what are you going to operation are you going to apply? It is multiplication. So dito nakasulat lang over addition. However, multiplication is also applicable sa yung distributive property of multiplication can also be applied sa subtraction. So pwede din siya. Basta ang bottom line is that whenever you use the distributive property, you are actually doing multiplication. Okay? So yan, i-distribute natin, kaya naging xy, so x times y is xy, plus, you have x times z, kaya nagkaroon ka ng xz. Then, pwede din na, you have the quantity x plus y times z, i-multiply natin, so you'll have x times z, so that is xz, then you have y times z, kaya naging yz siya. Okay, so that is distributive property. Now, let's have these three examples, tingnan natin kung paano natin mai-apply ang distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, so let's try. You have 9 nandito sa labas, tapos 6 plus 7 yung nasa loob. Well, typically, ang gagawin natin dito, di ba, isosolve natin yung nasa loob. But for the sake of illustrating the distributive property, okay, I am going to distribute the number 9 dito sa loob ng, dito sa mga numbers na nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, so let's start. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. Then you have 9 times 7 is equal to 63. So, adding this one now, you'll have 54 plus 63. So, 4 plus 3, that is 7. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. So, the sum of 54 and 63 is 117. Hence, therefore, 9 times the quantity 6 plus 7 is equal to 117. If you want to have a checking, pwede din naman. Okay, so let's have a checking. You have 9 times 6 plus 7. So kung ang gusto mong gawin is to simplify this one, again, ito yung paano natin ginamit yung distributive. This is just for the checking na for the sake of checking lang kung tama yung naging sagot natin nung ginamit natin yung distributive property. Okay? So you have 9 times 13. And 9 times 13 is equal to 117. See? The same. Okay, different method pero the same. Don't forget about distributive property because this is a very essential na property ng real number. Okay, ginagamit ko sa lahat. Lalo-lalo na sa algebra. Okay? Next, let's proceed to number 2. We have negative 8 times 11 minus negative 8 times 8. Okay? So, originally, ibigay natin yung original na form niyan. Ibabalik natin dito para malaman mo kung paano nangyari to. Okay? Kasi obviously, distribute natin yung negative 8 kay 11 tsaka kay positive 8. So, we can rewrite this whole thing as negative 8 times 11 minus 8. Okay? Kaya siya naging ganyan. So, pag gagawin ko, ayan. Di ba? Pag i-distribute ko, di magiging negative 88. Negative 8 times negative 8 is plus positive 64. Okay? So, negative 88 plus 64, this will give you an answer equal to negative 24. Okay, so next, let's have number 3. We have negative 5 times 102. So, ano yung mga numbers na pag pinag-add natin, ang sagot niya ay 102. Di ba maraming pwede maging combination? So, one of the combinations of those numbers ay For now, ayan, illustration lang to kung paano ginawa ang distributive property of multiplication over addition slash subtraction. Okay? Okay, so let's discuss the last property of real numbers, which is the zero property of multiplication. So alam niyo na, zero property plus multiplication. So ibig sabihin, if x is a real number, then x times 0 or 0 times x is just equal to 0. Para mas mabilis maintindihan, yung zero property of multiplication is that sinasabi niya sa inyo na every time minumultiply natin ang isang number sa 0, ang sagot niya ay 0. So examples are square root of 5 times 0 is 0. Then you have e times 0 is still 0. Then you have 3 over 10 times 0 is 0. And then last you have negative 1.27 times 0 is equal to 0. So any real number, okay, any real number kahit ano pang form niya, basta real number siya, pag minultiply natin sa 0, the answer is still equal to 0. That is the zero property of multiplication. Okay, so yun na. Dito nagtatapos ang series natin about sa properties of real numbers at sana ay nasundan ninyo yung pag-discuss natin ng isa-isa sa mga properties na yun. Okay, so again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Matis! Bye everyone!
The storms we chase are leading us. And